Hi guys, Magic Joe here, coming to you from Thailand. Gonna remain in Thailand for a little while. Gonna stay 6 months here in Phuket. We've been there about a month, so 5 months ago for those of you counting. All right, I want to talk to you today. As you know, I keep mentioning why is Magic different. And I hit on the theme of confidence. I believe that I really love what a lot of the enthusiastic people out there, the influencers, which I'd love to collaborate with. Different people, how they're finding their way and they're getting on with the purpose of trying to help people. And I think that's terrific. Now, it's a little bit different because it's not just for those people that are looking to discover themselves or find themselves, although we have that component. We're for the people that want to play bigger, right? So, for the people that want to play bigger, we obviously have to go deeper. So, while we'll try to resist the platitudes, sometimes they're out there, but we'll actually try to bring you real constructs of education, of human behavior, change, systems theory, many phenomena that can actually show you how to accomplish what the platitude tells you is available to you. So we don't want you to just discover that you can change and tell you, oh, it's good to change and cheer you on. All about it. Positivity is great. Positive psychology is a huge help to many people. What we want to do is we want to help you find a way to play bigger, right? We want you to, you hear that platitude, which I try to not use, but you hear the platitude, level up. We want to constantly help you expand your boundaries. We want you to maximize your capacity for skill acquisition, skill development, personal performance, and yes, personal discovery. All right? So today, the construct I want to talk to you about is this. So, you can't change. I brought you a word of the week last week, right, called Noviturian, right? And Noviturian basically is a person that seeks change in their life. They seek a powerful change. They seek a change in their behavior. They seek a change in their situation. The person that recognizes that they need to make change. Great, you've recognized that point. So what do we do to instill or to implement these changes? What are the processes that are available out there? There's many processes for change, and it is all situational. That's why it's best to talk to a competent practitioner to assist you along the way. But let's just get into the basics. Change really can't take place without knowledge, and knowledge can't take place without education. All right? So what are some types of education? Well, Howard Gardner's out there with a theory of multiple intelligences, right? Great read, by the way. I would recommend all of you to study and learn more about these multiple intelligences. And Bandura has social cognitive learning, and Benjamin Bloom tells us about the three domains: the affective, the cognitive, and the physical domain. You see, these are all things that are competencies that aren't taught to you in the platitude, right? These are things that Magic will help you find. We're going to help you find a proximity to greatness, right? And by greatness, we mean people that have accomplished great things or have ventured into great areas of vast unknown and come out the other side. All right, so let's talk about learning. So Chris Argyris and Douglas Schon bring us a couple of concepts. One is called single loop learning versus double loop learning. And then the other terminology is deutero learning, okay? So let's discuss single loop learning first. All right, single loop learning is basically, the summation in layman's terms, is where something is working a certain way. It's going the way, you're humming along. We'll use it as an individual basis versus an organizational basis. It can apply to either. So you're humming along as an individual and you really like what's happened, and all of a sudden something changes and boom, you didn't really like what that happened. Could have been relationship-wise. Maybe you and your significant other, your girl, your boy, your man, your woman, whatever it might be, you've come at a stalemate, at a point where you just don't feel like either of you are growing. All right, so in this example, single loop learning would be you've recognized the problem, you fix the problem, you patch the problem, and then you resume exactly what you did before. All right, so double loop learning is where you come across and you find, wow, there's something that needs to be fixed, and you realize that there's a change you can make to make it better. all right? So you adapt that change and you evolve, all right? So you went on a single track, boom, you hit a wall, you adapted, second track, double loop learning, right? Okay, it's basically a precursor to reflective thinking, to analysis, to critical thinking. These things that you hear bandied about, but they actually have a meaningful purpose for those that are willing to employ them. Okay, so single loop learning, espoused theory versus double loop learning, theory and practice. All right, so basically the espoused theory versus the theory and practice. All right, so are we going to keep doing the same thing over and over and over again? Find a hurdle, adjust the hurdle, and say, okay, well, we know how to do this, so we're going to just keep doing it this way, right? Okay, so you get into this repetitive single loop, right? So cognitively, you build your heuristics or your schematic, and you start to, your schematic design, let's call it, you start to program yourself into this certain way of association, this certain way of development. Hence, from that point forward, that's how you will try to learn. You will limit yourself to single loop learning. All right, advanced to double loop learning requires reflection, right? And then it requires an analysis of that reflection. So try to apply more double loop learning into your process, okay? This is going to create more knowledge, and as we mentioned earlier, knowledge is where you can find meaningful vessels for change, okay? So, what's this deutero learning that you're talking about, Magic Joe? Great question. Okay, so deutero learning requires the reflection and another step. It requires collaboration, all right? So, no human is an island. I mean, as smart as any of us individually are, there's always going to be somebody smarter. I hate to be the one to burst your bubble with that candid, reality, but, it's true. And I find this one hard to believe, but it is true that someone's always going to be better looking than you. I know, it's difficult, right? It's difficult to understand, difficult to get past that. Believe me, I struggle with that daily. However, there are, all right? So there's always going to be somebody stronger, always going to be somebody faster, always going to be somebody better looking, always going to be someone more intelligent, going to be a better painter, going to be a better bricklayer, going to be a better cook, whatever it might be. So there's going to be situations where collaborative influences will create maximized expansions of boundary potential for yourself and for the other people involved in the collaboration. Okay, that's exactly what Magic is designed to do. We're designed to be that competent, collaborative voice that discusses with you in complete confidentiality these things that may expand your horizons, your boundaries, right? So we're not out to tell you how to do, what to do, where to do it, who to do it with. Those are all choices that you as an individual have to make. But we're going to advance you from single loop learning, help you figure out double loop learning, and then jump off into deutero learning. The deutero learning means you're going to reflect on the things that you already know and try to find out things that you don't know. The old adage, right? Aristotle says, you just don't know what you don't know. Okay? So, here's the deal. Deutero learning and collaborative thinking, whether it's with us or whoever it might be that you do it with. It could be a co-worker, groupthink, your spouse, your significant other, anybody of influence, or anybody of query that you may come across. Okay? Start to figure out what is it that we can synthesize and work on together, or what is it that even just that collaboration of a cup of coffee shows me so much in differentiation that I've learned something I don't want to do. You ever meet that person? There you go. Man, I totally don't want to be like that dude, or do that, depending on whatever the case may be. All right, if that's the situation for you, then you've experienced collaborative possibilities, even though it may be framed from a negative instance, right? So you take that negative, you reframe it into a positive, and you don't figure out, this isn't what I want to do. You say, I've figured out something that I'm going to expand on or try differently, right? See, collaboration works, and it works when you allow it to work. So extend your collaboration. Magic is here to do it. Do some research on single loop learning versus double loop learning. Read espoused theory versus theory in practice, or theory in action. All right, look into the work of Argyris and Schon. They are pioneers in systemic change, and they are implemented in educational facilities all around the country, better yet all around the world, because don't look now, but the American education system is a little bit on decline. So we have a belief and an opinion, a postulation that individuals create stronger collectives. So we are here to help you as an individual become the strongest, smartest, best looking, if that's what you want. We're going to help you with systems, with single off objectives, with goals, time managements, purposed interrogatives, and we're going to help you figure out answers to your questions. That's the most important thing, is that you have to be the one to ask the right questions. All right? So get a hold of us, www.madzook.com. Remember to hit subscribe on YouTube. We just get started here in this online format. It's a space that has hundreds of thousands of people in it. We'd like to express to you our competency. I was reading a book the other day that said, show them why you're the expert. All right, well, you know what? Not pretty good, but to say expert, those people that claim to be the expert, I think that's for others to decide, right? For me to claim to you I'm an expert in anything is, not really conducive to what the message we're trying to send. But I will tell you this, I'm competent academically. I've had a full life of life experiences. I've been on multiple continents, multiple things. We're paying attention to more, and I'll let a little more of that out. It's not really the scope of this video today, so just understand this. We want to collaborate with you. We want to explain to you in depth what meanings or purposed designs are, right? Okay, so we didn't give you a platitude today. We didn't tell you, growth comes with change, or everybody's evolution is for the betterment of mankind. Great, I love the platitude. It's awesome, right? It's good party material when you're hanging out by the punch bowl, down coffee or an icebreaker, and you want to meet someone, or especially if you go to a town like Thai in Thailand or something like that. You got to be able to speak that language, or man, are you going to get ostracized, right? Okay, so what we're trying to tell you is beyond the why, right? We get it. Find your why. But to find your why, you're going to have to ask a whole lot more than just why, all right? Like how, who, whom, which, where, what kind of. These are all things that you're going to need to know too, all right? So who? Argyris, Schon. What? Single loop learning, double loop learning, espoused theory, theory and practice, or theory and action, and deutero learning. Where? You learned it here at Madzook, all right? And with collaboration. So your collaboration can take place with us for change, because we're going to talk to you about how to change. Not to change something bad to good, but how to become good into great. All right? Have a great day. We thank you for the space, for the time, and for your energy that you put into watching this video. We hope it meant something to you. We're always going to try to add merit to everything we do. And again, depth and breadth are important mandates to us. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting Thailand with us today.